Welcome back everyone. I'll go ahead and show you probably one of the better methods on how to clean your set of AirPods. Now by no means have I invented this method, it's just, a standard way of cleaning stuff up. Now some things you'll need, first of all, you will need some sort of, cleaning material, something like a cotton swab, specifically to clean out the inside of the AirPods, but to clean out the outside, the best thing to do is grab some type of microfiber cloth as well as some isopropyl alcohol. This stuff is crazy. You can do a lot of different things with it. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and put a little bit of isopropyl alcohol onto our microfiber cloth, just like so. So now that we have a little bit on it, all we want to do is very carefully scrub the outside of our AirPods with the little wet cloth. Now, I would recommend not going super, don't douse it inside of it. But if you want to clean out as much bacteria and clean out, a lot of the crumminess and the debris that's probably been on the inside or outside of the case of the AirPods, this is probably the best thing you can do. And now you can see that we have a cleaner set of AirPods. Now, another thing people tend to do is pretty much on the bottom, they think, they can just kind of put the little bit of isopropyl alcohol in here or put some liquids in here. Do not do that. You're going to fry your little lightning port. The best thing to do is grab some sort of, plastic material, some sort of plastic prying tool, and get as much debris as you can outside of the charging port. But typically these are fine. I don't really see anything super crazy with AirPods. Typically, it's like iPhones for some reason. Now once we go ahead and bust open the AirPods, you can see that we may have a lot of debris and stuff stuck within the AirPods themselves. So what we want to do is we want to take out the specific AirPods. Actually, we want to take out both of them. And you will see if you look around that there may be some earwax, some weird stuff built in right into this area and this area as well, and probably the insides of the AirPods too. But another area that tends to have a lot of earwax built in is the bottom tips where the microphone holes are. Now, I don't know how things get built up over here over time, but it happens. So what we want to do is we want to grab our cotton swab and we just kind of want to go ahead and clean the inside. So just keep scrubbing. A lot of stuff will eventually come out. You can go and grab some sort of napkin if you want to and kind of clean out this area. You want to clean out this little sensor thing here. You want to clean out this little area as well. So go ahead and grab that same cotton swab, scrub the inside of that and the inside here. This is probably where a lot of earwax can be built in as well. So there's 3 different spots to hit on the top. This, and this. But at the very bottom, you want to grab the same exact cotton swab or a different one, and you want to clean out this specific hole as well. Pretty much the same method. So go ahead and grab the cotton swab, clean out the inside of it, and you'll pretty much see at the end of it that the AirPods will be totally clean. So that's for one. The same exact process for the other one. Clean out this side, then clean out this little side, then clean out the top right here, and then clean out the bottom microphone hole. And the same exact process basically for both, like I stated. So that's how you clean out the specific AirPods, the smaller ones. Now the case itself and the inside, this also needs to be cleaned every once in a while. So inside, there can be a lot of stuff built in here and here. And if there's a lot of stuff and a lot of gunk in there, you'll probably end up not even be able to charge your AirPods because they need a secure connection. So the first thing you want to do probably is just go like this a couple times, make sure there's nothing big in there, and then grab a cotton swab like we stated before, and go ahead and just put your little AirPod inside of the cotton swab or the vice, the other way around, and go ahead and try to take out as much stuff again. Maybe if you go upside down, it can get a lot of stuff out. Don't go super crazy because there are connectors down there, like I stated, and do the same as I think for the other one. Go ahead and clean out the inside section there, and you will see that the inside will probably end up being cleaner. You can also clean out these little areas as well. You can use the same cotton swab, it's not a big deal. Now the top two, you can go and clean out the top, especially if you're trying to give these away, if you're trying to, give them to somebody else. This is probably the best method to disinfect everything. And it's even best to even put some isopropyl alcohol in here, but I wouldn't recommend putting them in here to clean out this area, only the outside, because if you put isopropyl alcohol in here as a liquid, it may actually end up, frying some parts inside. So that's pretty much it. All you have to do now is go ahead and grab your AirPods, set them inside just like so, and then you can go and use them, and you can, rest assured that they're a little bit cleaner this time. So that's pretty much it. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count, so it means so much if you guys can hit that. Also check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my other channels. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.